Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Payoneer account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Payoneer account, start by visiting the official Payoneer website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password in the login fields. Once logged in, look for the Activate Your Account option on your dashboard. Click on the Activate Your Account button to begin the process. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Provide the required personal information, including your full name and address. Next, you will need to submit identification documents for verification. Acceptable documents include a government-issued ID or a valid passport. Follow the instructions provided to upload the required documents. Make sure that the documents are clear and legible to avoid delays. After uploading, you will receive a confirmation message indicating your documents are under review. This review process can take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the volume of requests. Once your identity is verified, you will receive an email notification. Log back into your Payoneer account to confirm that your account is activated. After activation, you can proceed to set up your payment methods. You can link your bank account or add other payment options as needed. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the various features available. Remember to keep your account information secure and updated. That's how you activate your Payoneer account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.